This video will provide general information for testing the performance of primary and secondary fuel nozzles using the fuel nozzle test kit. Ensure to refer to the applicable technical data for setup and making airworthiness determinations on the performance of the fuel nozzles. The fuel nozzle in a gas turbine is responsible for spraying liquid fuel into the combustion chamber for power generation. The design and position of the fuel nozzles are crucial for efficient fuel atomization and distribution. An optimized fuel nozzle enhances turbine efficiency and power output. A fuel nozzle tester is an important tool to assess injector nozzle performance. The nozzle tester is used by skilled fuel injection mechanics to assess nozzle performance and to diagnose faulty nozzles. Flow checking will reveal any irregularities in the spray patterns, such as streaking or dripping. If you have any doubts about a fuel nozzle's flow pattern, it's best to play it safe and reject the nozzle.
I'm Owen Austin, a student at Savannah Technical College, and today we're going to be doing a functional check on the fuel nozzles of a PT-6a engine. So first thing you want to do is identify if you have a primary or secondary fuel nozzle. You can tell by the spot weld indicated here, or lack of spot weld indicated here. According to the tech data, it says a spot weld indicates that it is a primary fuel manifold adapter assembly, and no spot weld identifies that it is a secondary fuel manifold adapter assembly. Once you put it on the tester, you should be looking for a good uniform spray quality or light streaks, 20% max. You should also be looking for unacceptable conditions are heavy streaks, voids, skewness, drooling, and spitting.
All right, for step one, you're going to attach this grounding strap here to a suitable ground. For step two, you're going to attach shop air to the quick disconnect air inlet. If this is the first time this nozzle tester is being used, fill the reservoir with Jet A. We've already pre-serviced this reservoir with Jet A. Step 4, place the PT-6 fuel nozzle into the positioning fixture with an adapter plate. And you heard that click, that's how you know it's on there good. Step 5, insert the nozzle inlet connector into the fuel nozzle. Once again, you heard the click, you know it's secure. Step 6, position the locking mechanism over the fuel nozzle inlet connection to ensure the nozzle is positioned over the light source. Step 7, place rubber boot over the PT-6 fuel nozzle and chamber fixturing to reduce any possible calibration fluid vapor from escaping the chamber.
When you're doing the functional check, you should be looking for good uniform spray quality and light streaks. Those are the acceptable conditions. The not acceptable conditions are heavy streaks, voids, skewness, drooling, and spitting. So right here is the gauge pressure. This is where you set your 20 and 60 psi based on this knob right here. And over on this side is the pressure of inside the actual tank itself. This is the flow pattern at 20 psi. This is the flow pattern at 60 psi. At this point, inspect spray cones for drips, voids, as required by the component maintenance manual or other appropriate maintenance documents.
So this test is for checking to see if the spray nozzles are clogged. You want to check for correct spray patterns, whether it be the cone or the bulb of the spray pattern.
Go ahead.
All right, so I turned the regulator air pressure to 20 psi, and it has it on the primary fuel nozzle, and it has proper spray pattern, no drips, full cone.
The instructions within this video are intended as a guide only for the operation of the nozzle testing device. All instructions from the nozzle OEM as specified in the applicable engine manual supersedes this nozzle testing manual. Thanks for watching.